Hi, this is Grant at Grandpa Photography, and today I'm not bringing you any tips and tricks in this video. I just received the images back from the printers that I'm intending to put up on the Fire Conclave Convergence gallery wall at Burning Man. And if you're not familiar, every year the Fire Conclave Council invites photographers to submit their work. We select a number of those images, and along with the 4 Fire Council documentarians, we display that work on a wall next to Fire Conclave Convergence. It's in the 6 o'clock keyhole. Can't miss it. It's right by center camp. So let's go and have a look at some of these images. And I think these images turned out more beautiful than I had hoped. They are really nicely done. They turned out well. I really like the way the metallics is picking up these images. So I really like that aspect of them. I'm really grateful to Yuriko and to Heather and to Ellen and for Roslyn, the performers that you see in these images, both for working with me in producing these images, but also inspiring me to do better and better. So if you have a moment, check out the gallery wall, pick up some inspiration, and we will see you all out on Playa. And when I get back, I'll probably do a review of how these metallics held up in the extreme conditions of the Playa. Anyway, look forward to seeing you in the next one, and cheers.